sleepy. But what do we do before bed?
Mission time. Let's get ready for bed, step by step.
First, we clean up toys.
Clean up, clean up.
Can you point to your toys? Great job.
Next, we brush our teeth.
Brush, brush. No sugar bugs.
Show me brushing. Awesome brushing.
Wash face, pajamas on.
Soft pajamas. Arr!
Touch your pajamas. Perfect.
Now, quiet time.
Story time. Or cuddles.
Put your finger on your lips. Shh. So calm.
Finally, we go to bed.
Good night, bed.
Lie down like Pongo. Excellent. Let's check.
Clean toys.
Brush teeth.
Pajamas.
Quiet time.
Bedtime. A calm bedtime helps us sleep happy.
Good night. Sweet dreams.
Like, share and learn with Pongo and Hera.